Welcome to this informative video on ecosystems, an important environmental concept and a key topic for competitive exam preparation. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a functional unit of nature where living organisms, also called biotic components, interact with non-living or abiotic components in a specific area. According to ecologist Eugene Odom, an ecosystem is the basic functional unit of ecology that includes both organisms and their non-living environment, interacting with one another. Components of an ecosystem. Ecosystems have two main components. Biotic components, these are living organisms, classified by their ecological roles, such as producers, consumers, and decomposers. Abiotic components, these are non-living factors like sunlight, temperature, water, air, and soil. Abiotic elements largely determine which organisms can survive in an ecosystem. Types of ecosystems. Ecosystems can be natural or artificial. Natural ecosystems include terrestrial types like forests, grasslands, and deserts, aquatic types such as freshwater ecosystems like ponds and rivers, and marine ecosystems like oceans and estuaries. Artificial ecosystems are man-made, such as crop fields, gardens, and aquariums. Structure of an ecosystem. The structure of an ecosystem includes both its physical form and biological elements. Key aspects include species composition, vertical distribution or stratification, such as canopy and shrub layers, food chains and food webs, and trophic levels, which indicate the energy flow across organisms. Functions of an ecosystem. Ecosystems perform essential functions like energy flow through food chains, nutrient cycling, or biogeochemical cycles, ecological succession, which is natural community development, and homeostasis, or the ability of the ecosystem to self-regulate. Energy flow in an ecosystem. Energy flow follows the laws of thermodynamics. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Some energy is always lost as heat during transfer. According to the 10% law by Lindemann, only 10% of energy moves from one trophic level to the next. For example, sunlight provides 1,000 joules, plants capture 100 joules. Herbivores receive 10 joules, carnivores only 1 joule. Food chain and food web. A food chain is a linear flow of energy, like grass to grasshopper to frog to snake to hawk. A food web is a complex network of interrelated food chains, offering greater ecosystem stability. Ecological pyramids are graphical representations of energy, biomass, or number at various trophic levels. These pyramids visually represent the loss of energy and organisms at each level. Nutrient cycles, biogeochemical cycles are crucial to ecosystem functioning. The carbon cycle involves the absorption of CO2 by plants and its release through respiration and combustion. The nitrogen cycle includes nitrogen fixation, nitrification, and denitrification. The water cycle covers evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. The phosphorus cycle moves from rocks to living organisms. Unlike others, it lacks a gaseous phase. Ecological succession. Ecological succession is the natural process of change in the species composition of an area. It has three main stages: pioneer stage, seral stages, and the climax community, where the ecosystem reaches stability. Ecotone and edge effect. An ecotone is a transitional zone between two ecosystems, like mangroves between land and sea. The edge effect refers to the increased biodiversity often seen in these transition zones. Productivity of an ecosystem. Productivity is measured as gross primary productivity, GPP, total energy captured by producers, net primary productivity, NPP, GPP minus the energy used in respiration, secondary productivity, energy available at the consumer level. Tropical rainforests have the highest NPP among all ecosystems. Ecosystem services. Ecosystems provide essential services such as climate regulation, soil fertility, water purification, pollination, and raw materials for food and medicine. Important case studies. India. Some key Indian ecosystem case studies include Silent Valley in Kerala, a protected tropical rainforest. Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest. Chilika Lake in Odisha, a brackish water lagoon and Ramsar site. Loktak Lake in Manipur, known for its floating vegetation, called Fumdis. Thank you for watching this video on ecosystems. For more such educational videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.